just where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be safe. I pray we'll find your light and hold it in our hearts. When stars go out each night, let this be our prayer. When shadows fill our day, lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be safe. We ask that life be kind and watch us from above. We hope it's all we'll find, another soul to love. Let this be our prayer, just like every child needs to find a place, guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be
Put your hands together for the new Mr. and Miss Santa, St. Stephen's College and St. Joseph's Convent, Santo Domingo.